Watoto, ningeomba tafadhali tukuje mbele tuweze kuzungumzia pia we are going to occupy this place. Tunaona sasa wanaongea politics yao. Sisi kama wanawake wa Kenya sisi tumechoka. We must really know kama nakaa chini ndio kuja mbele because also your organization played a big role also. End movement in Kenya, that's Defenders Coalition. Tupigie makofi. And I know there is Agnes Kenya in the room. There is Amara in the room. There are many also grassroots movements in the room. There is also a good organization in the room and children. There is also churches, sex workers. The movement is inclusive of Kenya, si titles na brands organization ama logo. However, tuna appreciate kazi mashirika ya kijamii na mashirika ya wanaharakati wametoka kwa hapa na many others. Please ningeomba pay time. Please. We all went to the march. Akasema pia tumoja in 20 when Sharon Messeno was killed. We organize all of us ourselves here to however, agree the movement of sex workers wamekuwa kipigana. The movement of also queer community wamekuwa kipigana. The movement of children university, the movement of grassroots community. Sindio? Acha kusema hivi. Kwa sababu ni vizuri kupatana history vizuri. Then in 2024, March 27th of January, 2 of us to march across the counties, like the way we're going to march today across the country. We mobilize our efforts in 47 counties, where we have 2 coordinators in 47 counties. Give our recommendation to the town that was sent by the president. Simulipatia na matasos, tuwapatana maoni. However, hakuchukua maoni zote. Sinalawana, wengine wamesema hiyo recommendation. Wakuchukua recommendation zote zetu za tulipa